Hello? Ayoko ng online tayo, hindi kayo nagre-react ha. Kaya ayoko ng online eh. Sa totoo lang. Okay? So hindi ko alam kung kayo nandyan pa ba or naka-loudspeaker lang kayo, wala kayo sa harap. Okay? So let me share lang my screen. Pag tinanong ko kayo guys, magre-react kayo ha kasi hindi ko kayo makikita. So naka-cover ako ng PowerPoint ko. Wait lang, nawawala. Okay? Can you hear me guys?
Yes po, sir.
Yes po, sir.
Okay, wait lang ha, ayusin ko lang yung presentation ko. Nakikita na yung presentation.
Yes po, sir.
Sabihin nyo kapag hindi nag-shift to another, next slides ha, para alam ko. Ayan, okay na, visible na.
Opo, sir.
Okay, sige. So, next is what we have the functions, sequences, sums, and countability. Okay? Yan, ayaw na mag-slides. Wait lang ha, naghang na. Okay? So, this will be our agenda. Yan. Ay, ang dami nagpapa-add. So, this will be our agenda for the functions. So, we have the domain and codomain, okay, so then the range, then the image and pre-image, okay. So, one-to-one, onto, bijective, inverse. Then we have what we call the functional composition and exponentation. Then the ceiling integer and the floor integer, okay. Then for the sequences and sums, so we have the sequences, the summation, and the countable and accountable sets, okay. So let's start a function, okay. So sabi natin, so ano bang definition ng function? Ano bang definition ng function? Okay? So, pag sinabi nating function, so that in algebra, okay? So, that is what we call a special rule, diba? That relates to variables. So, that is usually an input or what we call yung x variable natin and an output, okay? So, that is your y variable, okay? So, the core requirements, okay, in function is that every single input maps to exactly one and only one output. Okay, so that is the definition of functions, di ba? During our algebra days. Okay. So, ano ba yung anatomy ng function, okay? Or what are the anatomy of a function, okay? So, the functions are typically written using the function notation. For example, this one. So, you have f of x that is equal to x raised to the second power, okay? So, this is an example of a function, okay? So, yung f natin dito, okay, yung small f, okay? So, that is the name of the function, okay? Or this f, okay, has another phase of variable, okay? So sometimes it's g, okay, g of x or h of x, okay? So yung x natin dito is the what we call the input variable, okay? So representing the value you put in, okay? So that is the f of x and x raised to the second power, okay? So yung f of x natin dito, okay? So that is what we call the output value. So which depend on the variable x, okay? So, meaning to say, it is read as f of x, okay, is equal to x raised to the second power. Okay, so that is the principle of a function. Okay, so for example, f of x is equal to 1 if x is odd and 0 is even. Okay, so this is also an example of a function. Okay, or let's say if you have f of x that is equal to 2x plus 3. So that is also an example of a function. Okay, so that is the basic principle of a function. Okay, so ulitin natin that in a function, okay, so yung f natin dito, so that is the name, okay, of the function, okay? So sometimes this is g of x or h of x, okay? Then yung x natin dito is just simple as a variable, okay? Or what we call an input variable, okay? So representing the value you put in, okay? Then yung f of x natin dito is the output value, okay? Which is dependent on this variable x, okay? So that is the principle of the function. So let us define. So a function f a to b is given by the domain set A, okay, and a codomain set B, okay? So yung function natin ng A to B, so yung A natin dito is what we call a domain set, and yung variable din natin dito is what we call codomain set, okay? And a rule for every element A of big A, so specify a unique element f of A in B, okay? So meaning to say that f of A is called the image of A. So while small a is called the pre-image of f of A. Okay. So remember the domain set, the codomain set, the image, and the pre-image. Okay. Meaning to say that the range or what we call an image of f is defined as uh, f of big A is equal to f of small a such that a is an element of a big A. Okay, so that is the principle of the domain set, the codomain set, the image, and the pre-image, and the range or what we call the image. Okay, so for example, okay, so in the given example, so let f is z to r. Okay, so ano nga yung z natin? So this is, anong symbol nga ito, guys? Anong symbol yan, guys? Huy, imik kayo. Huy, ba't wala umiimik? Andito pa ba kayo, guys? So anong symbol yung Z? Yung previous lecture natin. Sae, Hana,
Integers po.
integers. Yung R,
Rational numbers po.
rational numbers. Okay? Ay guys, ayoko ng ganito ha. Pag hindi kayo nagre-react, magla-log out tayo. Okay? Kaya ayoko talaga ng online class. Sa totoo lang. Okay? So ito nga tayo nga, ayaw nyo pa mag-react. Okay? So dapat cooperative kayo guys. Okay? So let f of the integers to the real numbers, okay, be given by the given function. So f of x that is equal to x raised to the second power. Okay. So question number 1. So from the given example, so what are the domain and the codomain? Okay? So ano yung domain at codomain? So ano yung domain at codomain, guys? Ah? Sino yun?
Sir, ako po. Yung domain po ng function na po na yan is the set of all integers po. Then yung codomain po is the set of all real numbers.
Okay, so meaning to say that the domain is this one, Z, okay? And the codomain is R, okay? Yung set of all real numbers. Okay, you just simply write Z and R. Okay, so since you are given the function, okay, so integer to the real numbers, okay? So next, so what is the image of -3? Okay, so image. Yes. Sino yun? Sorry, hindi ko makita kayo ha kasi naka-PowerPoint ako. Caleb.
Sir, the image of -3 is 9 po because pag pinag-times po dalawa ay 9 na po siya.
Okay? So, you just simply yung -3 natin will be the variable of x, tama? So, f of -3. So, kapag sinubstitute natin siya, so -3 raised to the second power, so that is equal to 9. So, that is what we call the image of -3. Okay? So, second, so what are the pre-image of +3 and +4? So, let's proceed with +3. So, what is the pre-image of +3? What is the pre-image of +3? Vittorio, Polo,
Sir, wala pong pre-image yung 3 po.
bakit?
Since yung pag tinry mo i-square root yung 3, hindi siya
So, magiging square root of 3.
Opo, hindi po siya
Okay, so very good. So, that is the pre-image, okay? How about for +4? Anyone? Hana? Yana pala, sorry, Yana.
Sir, yung pre-images po ng 4 is -2 and 2 since kapag square root po yung 4, maglalabas po is positive or -2. So, kabilang naman po siya sa integers.
Very good, okay? So, nasusundan ba, guys? So, next, so what is the range of f of z? Okay? So, ano yung range natin ng f of z? So, sabi natin that yung z is the set of all integers, okay? So, what is the range of z? So, ano yung range ng z natin? Anyone? Pangandaman. Pangandaman? Wala. Pag hindi kayo nag-react, i-eject ko kayo. Pangandaman.
Hello po.
Hello, tagal mo mag-react ha.
Sorry. The, po yun? Range po is set of all perfect squares po.
So what are those set?
Set.
Cruz, paki-mute ng iyong microphone iyon. So what are those set? Pangandaman, Najer.
0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and so on.
Okay, very good. Okay, so that is 0, 1, 4, okay? So 9, so pag 4 is 16, pag 5 is 25. Okay, you just simply substitute yung integer dito sa x squared, okay? So that is the what we call the range. Okay. So next, for example, okay. So in the questions below, okay. So G of A to B and F B to C. So where A is equal to B and B is equal to C. Okay, so I mean to say that is equal to C has an element of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so given that the value of G, okay, have 1 and 4, 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4 and 2, then for F is 1 and 3, 2 and 2, 3 and 4, then 4 and 2. Okay, so we are asked to find for the values of F of G, G of F, okay, G of G, and G of quantity of G and G. Okay, so paano natin guys kukuhanin yon? Okay, so i-unshare ko muna to ha. So para makapag-share ako ng Word file. Okay. Para doon ako magta-type. Nakikita na yung Word file? Nakikita na guys?
Yes po.
Yes po, sir.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, may nakaligtaan pala tayo. Balik ko ulit yung pan. Stop ko ulit ito ha. Ibalik ko ulit yung PowerPoint guys. Ay, wait lang naghang. Wait lang guys ha, naghang.
Mm.
Sorry guys ha, nag-shutdown. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang ulit. Share ko lang uli yung screen ko ha. Nakikita na guys?
Yes po, sir.
Yes po, sir.
Wait lang ha. Itong hirap kapag online eh. Pag naghang ang laptop. Okay. So next is we have what we call a function. Okay. So a function, so the effect of a function on the subsets of the domain is often important. Okay. So given that the function of f of a, okay, so to b, okay, so that is the domain and the codomain. So the pre-image set or what we call the inverse image, okay. So yung pre-image class, ang tawag din natin is an inverse image, okay, of small b is defined as the inverse of functions b is equal to the small a is an element of a big A, okay? So such that the function of A is equal to B, okay? So given the subset S, okay, subset S of A and the subset of T and B, so the image set of S is defined as f of S, okay, is equal to the function of the small a such that the small a is an element of S or big S, okay? And the pre-image set or what we call the inverse image of T is defined by the inverse of T, okay? So it's equal to the small a is an element of A, so such that the function of small a is an element of T, okay? So this one, okay? So if I have an example of f, okay, so that is an integer to the real number with f of x, okay, so that is equal to x raised to the second power, okay. So calculate the inverse of 3 or what we call the pre-image of 3, okay. So this one, okay, so yung pre-image natin, okay, or the inverse image. Then calculate the inverse image of 4 and calculate the function of -9, -5, -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay. So paano natin yan kukuhanin yung values? Okay? So, mag-share lang ako ng Word file para doon ko siya i-compute. Nakikita na yung Word file. Visible na sa inyo.
Apple, sir.
Okay, so yung example natin, so kopyahin ko lang yung problem. Okay. So this one, okay. So for question 1, so calculate F1 of 3, okay. So paano natin kukuhanin yung value niya? Paano natin guys kukuhanin yung value? So from the given questions, so the functions of an integer to real with f of x is equal to x raised to the second power. Okay? So meaning to say, so the inverse, okay? So the inverse image, so ano yung inverse image natin? That is f raised to -1, di ba? Tama? Tama ba? So that is
Yes, po, sir.
y. Okay? So, meaning to say, that means all integers, okay, so x, so such that, okay, so yung ating f of x, di ba? Yung ating f of x is equal to y. Tama? Tama ba guys? Tama yung assumption? Sagot kayo ay. So, for number 1, okay, so yung question, so f, pre-image of 3, di ba? Sorry. So, yung pre-image, okay, of 3, so ano ngayon yung magiging value niya? So, ano yung magiging value ng pre-image natin? That, what? X raised to second power, di ba? That is equal to 3. Tama? So, meaning, so, there is no integer, okay, x, di ba? So, whose equal to, whose square, whose square is 3. Okay, so therefore, okay, so therefore, what? So, ano yung magiging assumption natin or conclusion? That the pre-image of 3, okay, is what? So, this is, anong symbol? That is empty, di ba?
Empty set po.
Tama?
Yes, po.
sir.
So, hanap tayo ng symbol ng empty. Wait lang. Baka dito sa equation. This one. Okay. So, that is empty. Okay. So, how about for number 2, guys? So, for number 2, so f the pre-image of 4. Diba? So, ano yung pre-image ng 4? So, that is x raised to the second power, di ba, is equal to 4. Tama? So, meaning to say that x raised to the second power is equal to 4. So, yung values ng x niya is positive 2, di ba? And the other one, x is equal to negative 2. Tama? So, therefore, the pre-image of negative 1 of 4, okay? So, that is equal to what? So, negative 2 and positive 2. Okay? So, that is the value of the pre-image of 3 and pre-image of 4. Okay? So, next, number 3. So, calculate. So, this one. Okay? So, calculate. So, negative 9, negative 5, negative 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So, what we will do? Anong gagawin natin dito, guys? Paano natin kukuhanin yung functions ng negative 9, negative 5, negative 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4? Anyone? Yes, Caleb.
So, isa-substitute po sila isa-isa po.
Isa-substitute. Isa-isa. Saan natin siya isa-substitute?
Doon muna po sa f of x. Wait lang po.
Okay, so we have to what? We have to apply, di ba? We have to apply what? F of x, di ba? That is equal to what? Yung given function natin, tama? So x raised to the second power, okay? To each element. Okay, so ano yung mga element na yon? So yung element is yung negative 9, negative 5, negative 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so isa-substitute natin siya doon sa x raised to the second power. Okay, so meaning to say, so that f of negative 9, okay, so f of negative 9, so that is equal to positive 81. Tama? Tama ba, guys? So, f of negative 5, uy, sagot kayo. Okay, so that is equal to 25. Tama ba? Tama ba yung ginagawa natin?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, so f of negative 3, okay, okay, so that is equal to positive 9. Okay, so next is f of, ano yan, 0. Okay, so that is equal to what? 0. Okay, so next is f of 1. Okay, so that is equal to 1. Okay, so that is f of 2. Okay, so that is equal to positive 4. Okay, so next is f of 3. So that is equal to positive 9. Okay, so next is f of 4. Okay, yeah, so that is equal to 16. Okay, guys, wait lang ha, may tumatawag sa PUP. Wait lang guys, ah. Okay. So, next. So, once na makuha natin yung value ng each element, okay? So, yung f of negative 9 is 81, f of negative 5 is 25, negative 3 is 9, 0 is 0, 1 is 1, f of 2 is 4, f of 3 is 9, f of 14 is 16, okay? So, what's next? Okay? So, yung value nito, okay? So, we just copy lang, okay? So, that is equal to what? So, this one is equal to, so we have to get for yung ating values, okay? So, that is open curly brace. So, let's start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9. Wait lang guys, ah. Wait lang guys, at may tumatawag sa PUP. Okay? So, ano magiging value natin? Ano magiging value natin, guys? Uy, imi kayo. Nagagala naman kayo.
Ano po? 0,
0,
1,
1,
yung 4 po,
4,
and 9, 6.
9. O, since meron tayong dalawang 9, so what will happen? Meron tayong isang negative 3, isang positive 3. So, what will happen?
Isa lang po yung bibigay na 9 po.
So, since they are the same, positive integers, right?
Yes po.
Okay, then followed by 16,
16, 25 po,
then 25, then
81 po.
81. Okay, so very good. So, any question, guys? Question? So, that is what we call the inverse image or what we call the pre-image. Okay? So, let's have another example. Okay, so this one. Okay. So, in the questions below, okay, so suppose that G, okay, of A to B and F, B to C, okay, so where A is equal to B is equal to C, meaning to say A is equal to C with an elements of 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay. So, given the elements of G, okay, that is 1 and 4, 2 and 1, 3 and 1, then 4 and 2. Okay? So, and F, given an elements of 1 and 3, 2 and 2, 3 and 4, and 4 and 2. Okay? So, for letter A, so find F and G. Then letter B, find the functions of G and F. Then letter C, find the function of G and G. And letter D, find the function of G and G and G. Okay? So let's have letter A, F, and G. Okay? So, nasusundan ba, guys?
Yes.
So, if I have G and G, okay? So, from the given elements of each function, okay? So, for G and for G, so we have this one, di ba? So yung G natin, so meron tayo niyan, okay? Then yung F natin, okay? So copyhin lang natin to. Okay? So this one, okay? So meron tayong elements ng GMF, okay? So we are asked to find for the functions of G and F, F and G, okay? But rather F and G. So how do we get the function, okay? So for the function, so function of F and G, okay? So that is what? So kapag ginawa natin siyang function, di ba? So magiging ganyan siya, tama? Tama ba? Uy.
Opo.
Yes po, sir.
Opo, sige. So this one is the same as F, di ba? Of G of X, tama?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, so meaning to say, so kapag in-evaluate natin siya, okay, yung element A, so since this equal lang naman siya, di ba? Tama, A to C, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. So meron tayong element ng A. So paano natin yung step-by-step evaluation? Okay, so for X is equal to 1. Okay, so para this one, X is equal to 1. Okay, so meaning to say that G of 1, di ba? So that G of 1, okay, so that is equal to 4. Tama? Then, yung F of 4, okay, F of 4, so that is equal to what?
2.
2. Very good. O, at least nasusundan. Okay? So, meaning to say, so ano yung magiging value natin dito? So, that is 1 and 2.
1 ka mag-
1 and 2. Okay? So, this one yung 1, yung X, then this one is yung 2. Okay? So, next, for X is equal to 2. Diba? For X is equal to 2. Okay? So, the same procedure. So, G of 2. So, anong value ng G of 2 natin?
1.
1. Very good. O, bakit naging 1? Sige nga, baka mamay nanguhula lang kayo eh. Bakit naging 1? Bakit naging 1? Huy. Bakit naging 1? So, yung F of 1 natin, okay, so is equal to what? 3. Di ba? So, meaning, so, ang element nito ay 2 and 3. Okay? So, next, for X is equal to 3. Okay? So, G, bakit nagka-capital? So, G of 3, so that is equal to
1
1.
po, sir.
Diba? Okay? So, yung F natin, so F of 1, so that is equal to what? 3. Okay? So, meaning, yung elements niya is 1 and 3. Okay? Next, yung last. For X, okay, is equal to 4. Diba? So, we simply, what? G of 4, okay? So that is equal to what? 2. So then f of 2, okay, so that is equal to what? 2, the same as 2, di ba? So from the this one, okay? So from the given, okay? So meaning, so the elements are 2 and 2. Tama? So therefore, so yung f and g natin, okay? So this one, so yung f and g, okay? Okay, so that is equal to what? So, kuhanin lang natin yung na-perform natin na elements, di ba? So, 4. So, ano yon? So, yung 1 and 2, you just copied, okay? So, 1 and 2, okay? Then, 2 and 3, then 1 and 3, okay? Then, we have 2 and 2, okay? So, this is what? So, this is the values of f and g. Okay? So, question. So, let's proceed to G and F. Okay, so next is we have G and F. So, the same. So, G and F. Okay. So, ano yung given ng G and F? Okay, so kuhanin lang natin to para meron tayong reference. Okay? So, copy lang natin para nakikita natin. Okay, so yan yung given natin. Okay? So, yung letter B, G and F, okay, so the same. So, kung ano yung ginawa natin doon sa una, okay? So, for x is equal to 1, okay? Kasi yung A natin is 1, 2, 3, and 4 pa rin, di ba? So, this one. Okay. So, that is equal to what? So, f of 1, okay? So, that is equal to so, that is equal to 3. Tama? Tama ba, guys?
Opo.
Then, yung g of 3 natin, okay, so baliktarin lang natin. So, that is equal to 1. Okay, so meaning, so, yung element na na-perform natin is 3 and 1. Okay? So, next for x is equal to 2. Okay? So, f of 2 okay, f of 2, okay, so that is equal to 2, di ba? So, g of 2, so that is equal to what? G of 2, so that is equal to 1. Okay? So, meaning, so the elements are 2 and 1. Sunod ba? Next, for x is equal to 3, okay? So, f of 3, okay? Okay, so f of 3, so that is equal to 4. So, yung g of 4 natin, okay? So, that is equal to Anong value yun? G of 4 natin, so that is 2. Okay? So, meaning to say, so that is 3 and 2. Okay, so for x is equal to 4. So, f of 4, okay, so that is equal to what? So, f of 4 is equal to 2. Okay, so that is 2. So, g of 2, so that is equal to what?
1 po.
1 po, sir.
1. Okay, so meaning, so yung elements natin is 4 and 1. Okay, so therefore, sorry. Therefore, yung G and F natin, okay, okay, so that is equal to, okay, so open and close curly brace, then the elements, okay, so ano yung mga elements na yan? So 3 and 1, then we have 2 and 1, then 3 and 2, then we have 4 and 1. Okay, so this is the value of G and F for problem number 2. Okay, so next, G and G. So, paano yung G and G? Okay, so for letter C, nasusundan ba guys? Okay, nasusundan ba?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, so for letter C, G and G, okay, so kopyahin lang natin ulit yung given, so since the same naman siya, okay, so G and G. So ano yung magiging function natin ng G and G, guys? So since the same tayo ng G, so ano yung magiging function natin? Diba, may nagpapa-admit hanggang ngayon na. Si Corolo pala to eh. So ano yung magiging function natin, guys? Okay? Kung meron tayong G and G, di ba? So G and G, okay, so this one is the same as what? Di ba? So the same lang yan nito, tama? Tama ba?
Yes po.
Good.
Yes, po, sir.
Okay? So, or the same din yan ng G of X. Tama?
Yes,
Tama ba? Okay? So, meaning, so we can now evaluate. Di ba? So, paano natin evaluate? Same procedure pa rin. Okay? So, for X is equal to 1. Okay? So, that is what? G. So, G pa rin tayo. So, G of 1. Okay? So, G of 1, so that is equal to what? O, 4. Diba? Tama? Then, F of 4. G of 4 pala, sorry, G. Kasi D nga pala
Sir?
tayo. G of 4, yes.
May we clarify lang po if yung final answer na po talaga dun po sa previous item, which is yung G of F, is ganyan na po. Since,
Which one?
yung sa B po. Yes po.
Itong nakabold?
Yes po.
Yes.
Yung sa ano ko lang, sa G of, dun po sa first, first coordinates po, which is 2, 1, di ba? Dapat po is 1, 1 po siya since yung x po natin is 1.
Saan?
Sa first coordinate po ng final answer.
Dito, this one?
Yes po. Nakalagay po kasi dun po sa final answer is 3 po eh.
Wait lang ha. Saan yan? Sa letter B?
Yes po.
Ay, sorry. Typo. So, this is one. Okay? Kaya careful kayo guys pagsulat. So, let us continue. Okay? So, G of 4. Thank you, Ann. So, G of 4. So, ano yung magiging value natin? So, G of 4. So, that is what? 2.
2.
Diba? So, meaning, so ano yung magiging elements natin? So, yung elements natin, so that is what?
1 and 2 po.
1 and 2. Very good. Okay? Wait lang guys, mag-screenshot lang ako. Wait lang ha, mag-screenshot lang ako guys. Ba't ganun? Wait lang ha. Ang FB ngayon, panay ang update, no? Kakainis. Minsan may mga photos na ayaw mag-send. Okay? So, let us continue. So, this one. So, second, for x is equal to 2. Okay? So, G of 2. Diba? Nasusundan ba, guys? Hello?
Yes.
So, G of 2. So, anong value natin? So, that is 1. Diba? Tama? Then, G of 1. Okay? So, that is equal to 4. So, meaning to say, the elements, so ano yung elements natin? That is 2 and 4. Okay? So next, for x is equal to 3. So g of 3, that is equal to what? So ano yung g of 3 natin, guys? So that is 1. Okay? So then g of 1, okay? So that is equal to 4. Okay? So meaning the elements are 1 and 4. Tama? Nasusunod ba, guys? 3 and 4. Okay? So next, for x is equal to 4. Okay, so that is g of 4. So that is equal to 2. Okay, so that then g of 2. So ano value ng g of 2 natin? So that is, ano value?
1 po.
1.
1. Alam niyo bang, guys, kung paano nakukuha yung value?
Opo.
Yes po, sir.
Sige, paano? Para sa kalaman ng lahat. For example, halimbawa, itong for x is equal to 1. So, g of 1. So, paano siya naging 4?
Sir, kasi po dun po sa set ng G po is yung x coordinate po, may y coordinate po na 4. So, yung g of x po, yun po yung y coordinate ng x dun po sa set ng G.
So, meaning, so, ang magiging value natin ay 4. Okay? O, this one, yung sa isa, yung sa nasa right side, this one. Itong nasa right side. Bahala kayo kung ayaw nyo mag-react. Okay? Basta pag nag-exam tayo, kailangan pumasa kayo. Okay? So, next, letter D. Ayoko talaga guys ng ng online. Kasi iisa, dalawa, tatlong tao lang kausap mo dito eh. Yung iba, hindi mo alam kung seryoso ba o tapos kapag bumagsak, tatanungin bakit sa bagsak, di ba? Okay, so letter D. So, G and G. Okay? So, for letter D, so G and G. Okay? This one. Okay? So, letter D. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, di ba? So, yung first, yung letters natin, G and G, so this one. Nakuha? So, meron tayo ditong nakuha ng value ng G and G. Okay? So, that is equal to okay, so meron tayong 1 and 2. So, 2 and 4. Then, 3 and 4. Then, we have 4 and 1. Okay? So, ito na yung ating nakuhang G and G. Diba? So, for question number 4, so we are asked to find the functions of G and functions of G and G. So, since meron tayong functions na to, okay, previously, so we just copied na lang. Okay? So, ayan. Okay? So, what you will do, okay? So, we have to compute, okay? So, for what? So, kopihin ko lang ito at medyo mahirap yung mga symbols. Okay? So that is uh, G and X, di ba? Yan. Okay. So that is the same as, okay ko lang to. Okay. So that is the same as G. Okay. So that is the same as G and X. Yan. Okay. Next. So, then you copy lang this one. Okay. So para meron tayong reference. So the same pa rin. Okay. So, for letter A, for letter A, for x of A, okay. So, for x is equal to 1, di ba? So, that is G and G. Okay. So, this one is 1. Tama? Tama ba, guys? Okay, so that is equal to 2. Okay? So, meaning to say that G of 2, okay, so that is equal to 1. So, meaning to say, so yung elements is 1 and 1. Okay? So, for x is equal to 2, so copying lang natin to. Okay? So, para madali na lang mag-substitute. Okay? Okay? So, pagtan lang natin to na 2. Okay? So, ito magiging 4. Di ba? Then, this one, pagtan lang natin ng 4. So, ito magiging 2. Tama ba? Tama?
Opo, sir.
So, then, ito magiging 2 and 2. Okay? So, for x is equal to 3. Okay? So, this will become 3. Okay? So, ano to? So, anong value nito? So, ito magiging 4. Diba? So, this will become 4. So, ito magiging 2. So, anong value na natin ngayon dito? So, ito ay 3 and 2. Okay? So, next. So, for x is equal to 4. Diba? So, palitan lang natin ulit itong 1 ng 4. Okay? Okay. So, 4, ito ay magiging what? 1. Tama? Tama ba, guys? Okay, so ito ay magiging 1. So, ito ay magiging 4. So, therefore, yung value niya ay 4 and 4. Okay, so this one is 4 and 4. Okay? So, meaning, so ano ngayon yung magiging elements na natin? Okay? So, kopyahin ko lang yung given. Okay? So, this one. So, therefore, okay, okay, that is equal to what? We just copy lang yung elements. Okay? So, 1 and 1. Okay? Then, 2 and 2. Then, 3 and 2. Okay? Then, last one is 4 and 4. Okay? So, meaning, so ito yung kanyang elements nung G and GMG. Okay? So, any question, guys? So, question, clarification. Uy,
Wala po, sir.
hindi kayo umiimik. Okay? So, screenshot ko lang ulit ito, ha? Okay? So, may clarification kayo, guys?
Wala naman na po, sir.
Wala mo.
Okay?
Wala
So,
na po.
end ko muna dito, guys, ha? Kasi may meeting lang kami ng 10 a.m. Okay? So, I posted naman the PowerPoint presentation kagabi. Okay? So, meron dong isang example. Okay? So, may number 2 example doon. So, try to solve. Then, next week, we'll be having board work. Okay? So, by next meeting, so sana hindi na masuspend yung face-to-face para at least makapag face-to-face quiz number 2 tayo. Then, kapag online pa rin, so we will continue with our online class by next week. Okay? So, question, clarification?
Wala naman po, sir.
Okay, guys, ayoko lang na kapag tayo online, isa, 2 tao, 3 tao lang yung nagre-react, ha? So, let's assume and presume, okay, that we are meeting face-to-face. Okay, so yun nga lang, hindi tayo nagkakakitaan. So, para at least para yung klase natin is interactive pa rin, di ba? So, you have to cooperate, okay? So, any questions? So, kung wala ng question, guys, so I will end the lectures on this part, okay? Then we will continue by next week, okay? So, ayun nga pala, MOR defense pala by next week. So, wala na naman tayong room. If wala tayong room ng next week, okay? So, we will meet online, so kahit sa gabi, okay? So, total naman online, nasa bahay nyo lang naman kayo. So, let's check our schedule by next week, okay? So, any clarification or question with the lecture?
Sir, pwede na lang po pasend ng Word file.
Ipopost ko dun sa GC natin, okay? So, aayusin ko lang, ha? So, kung wala na question, guys, so, happy weekend, okay? So, see you by next week. So, yung inyong assignment, so, pakisagutan na lang, pakikompleto para next week, isasubmit nyo na lang kapag tayo nag-face-to-face, okay? Or mag-a-announce na lang ako, okay? So, kung wala ng questions, so see you next week. So, bye-bye. Happy weekend, guys.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po, sir.
Bye-bye.